Guys, you guys see this? This is that synthetic wig that my sister gave me, guys. And I'm going to use my conditioning cream on this synthetic wig, guys. And it is going to make this wig look amazing. And yes, it is synthetic, guys. But it is going to give this wig so much life. I couldn't believe it that when I did it. So I wanted to show you guys before of what the wig looked like. And when I get done washing it, guys, I want to show you guys what it looked like. And yes, this is full synthetic, guys. Full synthetic. So I'm washing it now. I'm going to put my conditioning cream that I made and let it soften up this hair. And then I'm going to take those steam flat irons, guys, and steam flat iron it. It is going to look amazing. So just washing it now. So once I get it all washed, okay, so I got it coated, washed pretty good. So now I'm going to put my conditioning cream on it, guys. So I made this. This is not coconut oil. So, and then I want you guys, when I get done and dry it, how beautiful it's gonna look. So I take it, guys, and I'm put it all over the hair, guys, especially down at the ends, because the synthetic hair, that's normally what happens. The back normally get all matted up. So I'm going to coat this all in there, guys, and I'll bring you guys back because I don't have a lot of memory. So I'm going to put it all in there and I'll bring you guys back. Guys, now that I have all the conditioning cream throughout the wig, all the way down to the bottom, guys, definitely get the bottom real good, guys. I'm going to put this in a bag and I'm going to let this get heated up really good, guys, and then I'm going to wash it out, guys. I'm going to leave this for an hour, and then I'll show you guys the magic of what this conditioning cream, and guys, this is great for your hair too. This is my secret sauce conditioner that I make, and this is great for real hair, but I happen to put it on one of my synthetic wigs, and I wanted to share it with you guys, the magic of what it also did to the synthetic hair, but it's definitely for real hair as well. Thank you, guys. Bye. Okay, so you guys see, I'm starting to rinse it out, and you see already? Remember how weird it was looking? And it's been in the conditioner cream bag for an hour. So now, guys, the last step is I'm going to dry it. And I'll show you guys the final results. All right. Okay, guys, this is a picture of me using a steam flat irons on it. So I'm back with you guys. So I put the wig on. And, guys, the wig is not completely dry. That's why I still have that, like, kind of sheen type look. But then, guys, I take my steam flat irons and I bring it through it. But guys, this is a very cheap synthetic wig. I believe this wig was $20. And yes, these steam flat irons, guys, is the deal. So if you guys don't have these, go on eBay, guys, or Amazon and put in steam flat irons, and I love it, especially with these synthetic wigs, guys. It just glides right through. So this is the finishing result. Like I said, the wig is still wet, but soaking it in that conditioning cream, y'all know how synthetic hair get all matty at the ends. But if you guys see, it is bone straight, guys. So I just wanted to show you guys the finishing results. So yes, guys, bring those synthetic wigs back to life, guys, and condition them. Condition them. I do have my secret sauce in that bag, but guys, just try your regular conditioner, or with the synthetic wigs, guys, do the fabric softener. Soak it in a cap full of fabric softener, and that will soften it as well, guys. But my secret sauce, I just put it on there. I wanted to see what it do, and it have this hair feeling like silk, just super fine, guys. So as always, guys, restore those synthetic wigs, and thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here's a couple still shot, guys. If you do not have these steam flat irons, you definitely need to get them. They are great for wigs. Definitely awesome for synthetic hair, guys. So if you guys haven't picked them up, pick them up. You would definitely love them. Bye-bye. And guys, here's an article on how to restore your synthetic wigs with conditioner, cream, and also fabric softener, guys. Thank you for watching.